BMW fault code P0456 indicates a small leak in the evaporative emission control system, or EVAP. This system prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere, helping to reduce pollution and improve fuel efficiency. When this code appears, it means the onboard diagnostics have detected a leak as small as 0.02 inches. Common causes of this fault code include 1. Loose or damaged gas cap. This is the most common cause. If the gas cap is not tightened properly or if the seal is damaged, it can trigger the P0456 code. 2. Cracked or disconnected EVAP hose. The hoses in the EVAP system can become cracked or disconnected over time, leading to leaks. 3. Faulty purge valve. The purge valve controls the flow of fuel vapors from the charcoal canister to the engine. If it's stuck open or closed, it can cause a leak. 4. Leak detection pump issues. This pump monitors the integrity of the EVAP system and can fail, leading to false leak detections. 5. Charcoal canister damage. The charcoal canister absorbs fuel vapors. If it's damaged, it can result in leaks. Steps to diagnose and fix the issue. 1. Check the gas cap. Ensure the gas cap is tightly secured. Turn it until you hear a click. Inspect the gas cap for any visible damage or wear on the seal. If damaged, replace it. 2. Inspect EVAP hoses. Visually inspect all the hoses connected to the EVAP system. Look for any signs of cracks, splits, or disconnections. Pay special attention to the hose connections at the charcoal canister and purge valve. 3. Test the purge valve. Locate the purge valve, usually found near the engine. Remove the valve and perform a simple test by blowing through it. If air passes through when it shouldn't, the valve is faulty. Replace the purge valve if necessary. 4. Check the leak detection pump. This step might require a diagnostic tool to test the pump's functionality. If the pump is faulty, it might need professional replacement. 5. Inspect the charcoal canister. Look for any visible signs of damage or cracks. Replace the charcoal canister if it's damaged. After making these inspections and repairs, use a diagnostic tool to clear the P0456 code from the system. Drive the vehicle to ensure the code does not reappear. Additional tips: preventive maintenance. Regularly check the gas cap and EVAP hoses during routine maintenance to prevent issues. Professional help. If you're unable to find the leak or if the code persists, it's best to seek help from a professional mechanic who has the right tools to diagnose and fix complex EVAP system issues. By maintaining the EVAP system in good condition, you help reduce pollution and ensure your BMW runs efficiently. Always address the P0456 code promptly to avoid more serious issues down the road.